Guys, this is Vinit, and today I'm going to discuss how to find non-duplicate element or non-duplicate character in a given string. So what would be our approach? First of all, we find the count of each character, right? After then, we will check that if the count of the character is less than or equal to 1, right? That means it's occurring at only once, right? So first of all, we create one main method. Suppose our string is, just create one string variable. We need automation point. This is our string. Now create one hash map. So here I am creating one hash map with the type of character and integer. Character is the key and integer is the our value. Now convert character string into character array. So s dot to character array method is there. Character array. Store in a variable character array. Now iterate over the C. Take one for loop. Take one variable C. Right. Now take one if condition. It's containing character or not. So for that we will take one if condition. If character map dot sorry character map this is our map na has map, right? HS map is a character map, right? Now this map dot contains C. We'll explain later. First of all, complete with the code. Put key is the C and what will the value? HS map dot get C plus 1. So here we are iterating our map, right? And checking that. So element is by 1, right? So each of the element as the index, we are checking that is present or not. It containing C or not. Element is containing For example, v. First of take as a say as a v, right? And it will iterate, right, one by one and check in next element v is occurring or not. If it's occurring, then we are increasing with value 1. Otherwise, we will print as it is in else condition. Else map dot put c 1. So for checking that we are getting a count of character or not. So for that, come out to with for loop. So run it. Now here we can see we are getting the count of the each character. P occurring at one time, A is occurring at 2 times, T equals 4. That means T is occurring at 4 times. Similarly, now our job is to find non-duplicate, right? Non-duplicate. How we can find that? Here we can see P is occurring at one time. That means P is non-duplicate. But A is duplicate because it's occurring twice, right? And T is occurring at 4 times. That means it's a duplicate. That means A, T, I, N, and O are our duplicate element, and N, M, V, U, and P is non-duplicate element. So how we can check that? So we will check the count of character is less than or equal to 1. That means it's a non-duplicate element. And if we will take check greater than 1, that means it will provide duplicate element. So how we can do that? Let's see. Keys or each count, right? So for that, what we'll do? We'll do our map, access map dot set, right? Set returns set of character java.edu, right? So just copy from here, or we can write as well, right? Keys, right? So we have provided the key for each element, right? Now iterate again. Character C colon character array, right? Now here we will check. So we need that element which count is greater than less than or equal to 1. Or if just map dot get say less than equal to 1, right? Then we will print system.out.c. Right? Now we are printing the value. Just say non duplicate Correct. This is map or it. Now, so let's run our test. Run a Java application. So here we can see that here keep the space as well. Run it again. So here we can see non-duplicate element is V. V is our non-duplicate character, U is non-duplicate character, M is non-duplicate character, and P is non-duplicate. Why it's non? Because it's giving value is 1. That means only one times it's repeating. So here we can also check that V. V is V. Here we can say V is only one time is occurring. P is also only one time is occurring. So as expected condition, we validated that, right? So this is the approach, easy approach basically, from where we can find the non-duplicate character. If anyone want to, just print duplicate character, so just here we need to change greater than. Then the value which is getting more than one, then it's duplicate character. Run it. So here you can see n equals occurring as 3 times, O is occurring three times, I is occurring 4 times, n is occurring 3 times, right? So this is the condition where we can easily find the our non-duplicate or duplicate element. So thank you for watching, guys. We will see in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.